So we'll do 3 different ways of managing today, and you can scale it up depending on if you think you want to get a little bit fancy, or you can use it basically just from your phone using all your own native tools. I don't believe that you need to be like anybody else, have anyone else's photos, speak like anyone else. And truly, if you want to find an audience that is your own, the only thing you can do is be yourself. So that's where I want to start today with, because I want to encourage everybody here to be visible and be seen and be 100% themselves, just with a few better tools so it's not so stressful, and you can get the inner workings behind how someone would manage it like a social media manager.
I love today. I love the grazing table that we can just eat at our own leisure and not kind of, get full and fall asleep. It was very informative and straightforward, and we had a wonderful host.
Today was awesome. I really enjoyed it. I'm so glad I came. It was a great investment for my Arbonne business.
Gathering with a bunch of beautiful women that are all in business is really nice, to kind of collaborate and all work together.
It was really good being able to, network with other people and have, ideas bouncing off each other.
Yeah. I've been to probably 20 million workshops in my lifetime, and business conferences, networking things, and like I said just before, in this environment was such a great way to learn and a great way to absorb the information, because it was really hands-on. We had our devices there, everything was set up to go, we had our accounts open and ready, and we were able to take what we had learned and do it right then and there on the spot.
You'll get a wealth of knowledge out of it, and your creativity and your brain just goes nuts, and you can't wait to get home and be able to pump it all out.
There was lots that I needed to hear so that I can kickstart my account again for 2020. I'm excited.
Just being able to ask questions and then get, to pick your brain in that way, because it doesn't always translate that way via emails or messages or even in business consults. This was a really cool environment to learn and share.
I'd recommend it to anyone that's running their own socials. I think that's looking to sort of run their own socials on a day-to-day basis. I think it's just really good, useful information, how to plan it, because it can be a bit overwhelming.
I would definitely recommend this workshop for any business owners, definitely to all my Arbonne consultant friends, anyone doing network marketing or using social media to build their businesses.
Everyone in business should do it, and yeah, definitely I recommend it.